I've been trained for this.
Trained, yes. Prepared, no. There's a difference you skipped.
Wow, okay. All right.
I know exactly how this works.
Understanding requires curiosity. You stopped at certainty.
Whew. Wow. Okay. All right, noted.
We're doing our best.
That explains the results.
All right, you got us.
I don't make mistakes.
Correct. You repeat patterns.
Oh man. Okay, that's good. That's real good.
That's not how this works.
Neither do you, yet here we are.
Oh! Ha! Oh wow. Okay, that's good. That's not how this works.
Neither do you, yet here we are.
Oh my. Oh no! You did not just.
Let's stay focused.
Great idea. Let me know when you start.
You think you're smart?
No.
I think you make it look rare.
Oh,
Oh my! Oh wow! Okay. Yeah, you win.
I've handled worse.
True.
Mostly expectations. I lead this team.
You manage attendance. Leadership requires answers. You keep outsourcing.
Okay, all right, that's good.
We have enough proof.
Proof is nothing without clarity. Yours arrived in a fog.
Huh. Wow, okay.
You think this is funny?
Funny?
No.
It's an ethics lesson with better punchlines.
Oh man.
We need confidence. Confidence built on empty plans is just a louder problem.
What?
No way. Did you just...
Oh my God.
That's brutal.
Savage bird. I'm still processing that.
We need confidence. Wow.
Okay.
Do you understand the stakes?
I do. And yours are strictly decorative.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
You're out of line.
No. I'm showing where your argument ran out of road.
Okay. All right.
We followed procedure.
You followed it like a recipe. Measured steps. Zero seasoning a thought.
This is serious work.
So is humility.
We need solutions, not jokes.
Then stop rehearsing solutions and start practicing thinking.
Oh, come on. No way.
You think you're tough, huh? Little green featherweight like you?
Your confidence is inflatable. All pump and no backbone. Hope you brought a pump.
Wow. Okay. Ha! 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 All right, you got me.
Okay, give me something nice. Just
I
one compliment.
compliment you, but your charm is still processing. Never. Oh. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my God.
Wow. Those reps are practice for confidence, auditioning, not performing.
Wow. Rude. Ha! All right, you got me.
For the citation you were issued last night, the fine comes to $320, payable within 30 days.
Pay the fine? First of all, and how I land a joke, your timing is always late.
All right.
I'm not ignoring you. I'm thinking. There's a difference. You can't keep acting like I don't listen.
He listens all right.
You listen like your notifications on silent and ignored.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
wow.
Really? Yeah, that's pretty.
You need to show some respect.
I would. But respect usually arrives with competence.
Watch your attitude.
It tripped over your performance.
Oh, no way! Woo, you got me good. Man.
Do you think this is funny?
Not funny. Educational. You're the lesson.
Oh, come on.
We're professionals here.
Then someone forgot to turn pro.
Did you hear that? Oh my. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Confident noted. Results still missing.
Oh man. Oh, you got me.
Who ate the snacks?
They left to escape your culinary experiments. Survivors only make it to my beak.
All right, Savage. Here, a safe one.
Your Honor, may I have a moment for rebuttal? Counsel, go ahead. Mr. Finch?
Your alibi reads like low-budget fiction. Dramatic, thinly sourced, and easily debunked.
Oh, wow.
I'm telling you, he was scheduled again, third time this week.
No way. Did he even give a reason?
Just said conflict.
Whatever that means.
Whisper all you want. Your secrets still sound like expired podcasts.
How many followers?
Enough to make your ex rethink life choices and your grandma ask for a duet.
Ha! Oh, no way.